These are the cheapest fan you can buy in Amazon, and both comes under 900 rupees, and this one around 700 rupees, this one around 800 rupees. Pack of 3, both are RGB, both give same almost equal performance, and both look similar in the coloring, and build quality is also almost similar. So guys, if you wanna buy these products, go for it. This is from Warhammer, this one, and this one is from RiaTech, this one. If you wanna see more air moving, see, it's moving air, it's moving air, looks very nice. I'm gonna turn this one if you wanna see. RGB, nice, right? So guys, if you wanna buy this one, I'm gonna give the link in the description. You can buy it from Amazon if you are in India. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.